How can you get an official YouTube artist channel? First of all, we need to talk about the difference between YouTube, which is, as we all know, video streaming platform, and YouTube Music. YouTube Music is basically the same thing as Spotify or Apple Music, so it's a music streaming platform. If you're gonna distribute your music to YouTube Music as well, YouTube will automatically create a YouTube topic channel. YouTube topic channel is basically a manifestation of YouTube Music that is gonna be showcasing on YouTube, which is available for everyone for free. So when you're gonna find this topic channel, you will only see your artwork, your graphics for your singles, album, etc., and the music. Now, we don't want to have two channels on YouTube, right? That's gonna be a mess for your fans. That is why YouTube brought a solution, which is official artist channel on YouTube. You probably already seen some of these channels with small note behind the name of the channel, and that's basically it. The solution is that when you apply for this official artist channel, YouTube will merge both of these channels into one. The biggest advantage is that you will no longer have two random channels on YouTube, and also if you already had a lot of subscribers on this topic channel, you will get those subscribers to your main official channel. YouTube will also automatically create a playlist with your releases and with your music videos. Now, how do you get this official channel? The easiest way is to go to your music distributor and ask him if he can arrange this. Usually distributors have direct communication channels with YouTube, and that is why they can actually help you and speed up the whole process. In Digitum, we actually have our own distribution platform, so the easiest way is to just log in and ask our team for help. So this was just a quick music tip. If you want to hear more, please like the video and follow us.